Alright guys, I got my RoboMaster S1, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my Osmo Action. You can see over here I modified it. It's tracking me right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and go to my hey, it is a alright. I'm gonna go ahead and back up a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and see if it tracks. Got my board on, got my phone, and then we're gonna go ahead and see. It does track me. Woohoo! On the OneWheel. Look at that, RoboMaster. It's tracking me down on the OneWheel. Woo! Alright, I'm in the soft sand. Even me right now with the OneWheel is having a hard time because it's really soft, it's wet. But I still see the RoboMaster chasing me down. It's chasing me. Woo! And then I can go ahead and go this way with it. Ah! Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and see. It's tracking. Woohoo! It's tracking me in a OneWheel. Look at that. Woohoo! Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this way. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and stop. Okay. Wow, I even failed my thing. So kidding me. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go. Look at that. Uh-oh! Tracking me in front. Woohoo! I'm gonna go a little bit faster. You better move, start faster. Alright, I'm gonna stop right there. I'm gonna go about right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go. Give me a second. See, even me, I got stuck with OneWheel. Alright, I'm gonna do one more. Oh, the other way. I'm sorry. Here you go. Here you go. It's tracking me. Like I said, a firmware update would do good, because right now it's tracking me. It's tracking me in my OneWheel. Woo! Look at that! Woohoo! How fast can we go? Got the OneWheel on. Come on, buddy! Oh, you guys still got me. This is what I'm talking about, man. Land vehicle. All right, I'm really in the soft sand here, but I can still see the RoboMaster still tracking me. Woohoo! Look at that. Yeah. All right, got that done. And I'm gonna get off. Whoa! Look at that. It even hit my board. That was awesome.